Said with like a 45-minute drive.
Howdy, bitch. You see the oil pan hanging low?
The zip ties for the radiator. I ain't gonna lie, that's even player too. These are the engine mounts that we're gonna need. These are the part numbers. There we go right there, factory hose. Then there's gonna be one right there at the bottom. Like a 45-minute drive. It's purring like a mug too. Look at him. Say you already got the 4Gs at the house ready for paint. It's quiet. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I wouldn't think it would have been this quiet. It sounds good, man. Y'all see he put up. He made it all the way from 45 minutes away. About to do some light work to it. G-body activities. It's cold as hell, so I'm about to check him out. Talk to my mans real quick and see what we need to do underneath this hood. And I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. It's cold in the bitch. Ready to get this shit done, man? You said you've been waiting, what, 2 weeks? 2-3 weeks? Alright, y'all, I'm holler at y'all in a minute, man. Just got the 88 Monte Carlo inside the shop. So let's talk about some do's and don'ts when it comes to the LSASWAP. You don't do that. Come on. People be creative, boy. I don't know how in the hell. I'm trying to get it to focus for y'all, man. Maybe the other side of focus. There you go. You don't do that. I'm like, they must have had an engine dangling this motherfucker or something, because... yeah. And then another thing is, you don't do that. They tried though. Honestly, man, look, keep it G. It's not a bad swap. Keep it 100. This portion, the only thing he messed up is the mounts. The computer can be mounted right there. That's fine. The fan relays, that's cool. The zip ties for the radiator, I ain't gonna lie, that's even player too. It will be ideal for you to have it set up like this, with the radiator support, but I'm gonna put y'all up on game. If y'all don't know, eBay sells a radiator support for about less than $100. You put that on there, some 3-piece covers, and he in the game. But what we are going to be doing is swapping these engine mounts, swapping this engine and frame mounts out so the engine can sit in right, and also we're going to be swapping the oil pan so that everything is clear. Because right now, if you go under the car and take a look, howdy, bitch. You see the oil pan hanging low? So we want the oil pan actually flush with the frame of the car. So that little gray piece you see right there, that is the oil pan hanging low. But it's nothing. Peanuts to a giant. It's late night. We on that late night thirsty. So pull the engine, grind down the frame. Pull the engine, grind down the frame, new frame mounts, new engine mounts, and we are going to have to cut the exhaust off because it's completely welded all the way through. Oil change, coolant, and sending it back on the road before the weekend for shit show. All right, so I had to come up here to Harbor Freight real quick. I need to find a wheel grinder to grind all that stuff off. Oh, shoot. All right, cool. That was already there when I came. I need to find a wheel grinder. This right here would actually make it all nice and smooth. Well, I'm actually cut it off with this one, and one of these is gonna make it all nice and smooth. So let me grab what I need. Also grab me some gloves while I'm here, and then I don't know, I probably need a couple things. I'm gonna grab a couple things up out of here, and then we're gonna head back to the shop. I know for a fact I need some more of these. So I'm gonna grab some more of these, and then we can get back to the shop and get cracking. Second. All right, y'all see what it is. Y'all see where we at. Our favorite store, AutoZone. I'm about to head to the... Hey, good morning. I'm about to head to the back real quick. We need to grab some coolant, need to grab some oil. And then from there, yeah, that's right, oil. That's oil. We'll grab some coolant, we'll grab some oil, and then I don't know. I think we're gonna probably use some Pennzoil. See whatever's on the deal. You know what I'm talking about. But for a fact, I know I'm gonna grab these little daddies right here. Get 4 of these, and we'll be good to go. Grab all this stuff, grab the oil, and then I'm gonna be back with y'all in a minute. Hold on, GM. Okay, it's the same shit, different toilet. And see what oil I'm gonna grab, and I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. We get to the shop. Check it out, y'all. It's time to attack this thing. We got oil, we got coolant, we got oil additive, we got the wheels, we got gloves, we got some bifocals, we got some glasses, man. So what I'm about to do is jump my big ass up in here, grind all this off, and then hooey, hey now, say now, I'm all about my bands. You get what you pay for. Do it right the first time. This is actually not a bad swap, like I said. It's actually a okay budget swap. So he did say he want to come back and get some things touched up. But for right now, I told him, look, bro, just like, for example, that right there. You see that? That's one of them things right there. That's going to pop out eventually. And it was on with a zip tie. So something like that, I would probably change right now. But I don't believe I have the low card cable to install for him. But it is what it is. Get my ass up in here. I don't want to break my camera, so I might angle it. I'm gonna see what I can do, but time to get cutting. It's always nice when you got that commercial account, because when it's raining, you know what I'm saying, AutoZone is coming. So these are the engine mounts that we're gonna need. These are the part numbers. Purpose of this video and showing these part numbers so y'all won't be doing shit like that. It's pretty simple, and it's a lot cheaper. My man is paying a fair amount of money to get this done the right way. So all we got to do is take these out like so. Left and right side are the exact same, so don't worry about it. I can't even show y'all, but basically 2 is going to go here, 1 is going to go here, 1 is going to go on that side. But I have to hurry up and get this done because I got to pick my kids up in a little bit. So let's get cracking, though. Let's get it. All right, so I was over here too busy making a TikTok. If you don't follow me on TikTok, follow your boy on TikTok. You would have seen me basically take this top portion off. Now what I'm about to do is get this bottom half off. I have the cutter on. Right after the cutter, I will be putting on this grinder right here, and then the smoother. So I think the smoother like 120. What is it? 80, 120 grit. So anything is better than this. Let's finish up. That took about an hour to do, probably a little bit more than an hour. We're basically going to take this G-body small block frame mount. We're just going to line it up like that. Y'all see the hose? There we go right there, the factory hose. And there's going to be one right there at the bottom. Y'all see that one right there? So everything lines up like perfect. But before I do that, I'm just going to grind all these nasty little wells down, and should be good to go. Follow me on all platforms. Follow me on social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. I used to have a Facebook. I don't even know if I still got it. It's probably still on there. It's LSwapguru. Hopefully we can actually get more cars in like this, so I'll give you guys more part numbers. and we can learn and grow together. Like I said, it's not a bad swap. The swap was actually pretty decent. He drove an hour away and made it, so they knew what they were doing. They kind of knew what they were doing. They just needed some assistance on the engine installation part, but other than that, I don't want y'all to see me doing no more grinding, so I'm gonna grind this thing down myself, make it smooth, and post some content. So check it out, my peoples. Got a nice gently used, you know what I'm saying? I always got to put the word gently, you know what I'm saying, in there. Got a nice used oil pan. Going to be slapping that up on there. And I sold it to him for half price. There's nothing wrong with used, and there's nothing wrong with half price. Also got these used, gently used engine mounts. There's nothing wrong with used. It's nothing wrong with half price. So I'm going to hook it up, sell it to him for the Lsswap. My phone I used to record YouTube off of my phone, you know what I'm saying, upgrade to this Canon. Got that little bump right there, it's all to the good. The wagon was beating my ass. I always try to keep used parts around the shop. That way I can, for situations like this, I don't feel like going to Summit or eBay or whatever, ordering parts and having them shipped in. Always keep good used parts. That's the thing about the Chevys. With the Chevys, certain engine mounts work in certain engine mounts. Certain oil pans can fit in, majority of cars. So that was real smooth right there. That was real cool. What we're gonna do right now, I have his engine over here. Now, what we're gonna do is take the engine apart. Well, not the engine apart, excuse me, I'm used to saying that. We're gonna take the oil pan off of here. As you notice, that is a truck daddy right there. So we're gonna take the truck oil pan off and put the new LSSwap oil pan on there, and that should be it. I wonder if they still on here or not. Oh, there they go right there. Bam. Take them off too and put the sliders on. Call it a day. And he does have a 5.3 up in his joint. So let's get him back. Oh, whoa. About to knock over some stuff. Let's get him right. In and out. So check it out. The thing is, when I say you get what you pay for, you get what you pay for. I told him a price like 3 weeks ago. He was like, man, bro, my boy can do it for this. Just take it to your boy. I want to hear it. Take it to it. So he ended up hitting me. He was like, look, bro, I'm tired of waiting on my boy. You told me how much you want. I'm about to send the car to you right now. I'm like, cool. He ended up driving it over here. It took him about an hour to get here. So the car was reliable. It did make it. He didn't, it actually gonna cost him a little bit more because he needed a couple extra parts. But listen, he's getting exactly what he's paying for. He didn't give me no problems. He didn't give me no lip. He was just saying like, hey, I just want it done right, so I get my G body back on the road the right way, and obviously safe. So when he come up, he gonna pick it up. He's gonna be happy. It does have to go to the exhaust shop. I'm not gonna lie. When I drove your car, bro, it was a little sluggish, and I'm thinking it's because you got these busty cats on here. So these cats do need to come off. That's probably what has it a little bit quiet too. But I think both of these cats is busted out just by looking at them. And hell, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So swap this oil pan and get jiggy. Oh, that nigga taking this to you. He ain't coming back. YT, what's happening with you, baby? So we actually end up using a brand new oil pan because I found one that was in stock. And we got the slider mounts on this joint. Damn, boy, put them on there so that this is not sliding. God damn. So got the sliders on this side. I'm gonna have to loosen those up. Got the new oil pan on. This is actually what came off. So yeah, I'm gonna drop this thing in real quick and make it happen.